Small words. In one cubic foot. In any environment, forest, mountain, water, you always see the big animals first. Birds, mammals, fish, but under your feet on land or in the water, there are many smaller organisms, insects, tiny plants, miniature sea creatures. They seem unimportant, but in fact, these sea creatures and ground dwellers are the heart of life on Earth, says naturalist E. O. Wilson. Without them, our world would change dramatically. Most organisms on Earth live on the ground or just below it. Here, they are part of an important cycle. Plants and animals fall to the ground when they die. Later, tiny insects and other organisms break down that plant and animal material. This process eventually returns nutrition to the soil and gives plants energy. Plants can then help to maintain a healthy environment for humans and other animals. Despite their importance, scientists know very little about most ground organisms. To learn more, photographer David Leutenschwager went to different places around the world, including a forest, a river, a mountain, and a coral reef. In each place, he got a green 10-inch cube on the ground or in the water. Then he and his team counted and photographed the organisms that live in or move through the cube. Often, they discovered hundreds, some only a meter in size. I was like finding little gems, he said. Life in miniature. Bacteria, they're invisible. They're everywhere, and we need them to live. In our bodies, bacteria outnumber human cells by 10 to 1. Older bacteria weighs as much as your brain, nearly 3 pounds. Most bacteria in our bodies are not harmful. In fact, many benefit us in important ways. They help us digest food. They make important vitamins, and they help fight infections. But some bacteria can be dangerous. Take, for example, Staphylococcus aureus. It lives in our noses. Usually, it's harmless. Other bacteria in the nose control it. But if as a rose travels to another environment, things change. In the skin, for example, it can cause deadly infections. We cure most bacterial infections with antibiotics, but there are problems with this medicine. Antibiotics kill bad, infection-causing bacteria, but this medicine kills good bacteria in our bodies too. When we kill the good kind, this can cause other health problems. A lack of certain bacteria in the body can make us sick. So, what can we do? We should not use antibiotics very often, say scientists. We can fight infections, but we also need to maintain healthful bacteria in the body. To help us do this, doctors are now developing probiotic remedies. These new medicines will return certain bacteria to the body and restore the balance our body needs. For years, we thought all bacteria were dangerous. Of course, some are, but we are learning that many bacteria keep us healthy, will live on and within us, and our well-being depends on that.